Welcome to this complete Oslo Norway guide. Imagine a city where history breathes life into every street corner, where stunning architecture meets the allure of untamed natural landscapes. Welcome to Oslo, a city steeped in rich Viking heritage, brimming with world-class museums and peppered with unique attractions. Here, every moment is a brush with the extraordinary, every vista a postcard waiting to be captured. Now let's embark on this exciting journey to discover the top 13 things to do in Oslo. Our first stop is the Viking Ship Museum. This extraordinary cultural institution nestled in the heart of Norway is a vast treasure trove of history and a testament to the grandeur of the Viking Age. It proudly houses three exceptional Viking-era burial ships, namely the Oseberg, Gokstad and Thun. These well-preserved vessels, discovered in Norway's largest and most impressive burial mounds, provide an incredibly fascinating and in-depth insight into the culture, life and traditions of the Viking Age. Each ship tells its own unique story, painting a vivid picture of a time when Norway was ruled by seafaring warriors, proficient traders and explorers. The museum is not just home to these majestic ships, but also exhibits meticulously curated artifacts from the ship burials, including weapons, utensils, jewelry and more. These artifacts further enhance the enchanting narrative of the Viking era. With each step inside the museum, we are further back in time, immersing ourselves in the mysteries and intrigue of a past civilization. A visit to the Viking Ship Museum offers a glimpse into the intriguing Viking era. Next, we explore the enchanting Vigeland Sculpture Park. Here, the world of human emotions comes to life, captured in over 200 bronze, granite and wrought iron sculptures. The man behind this masterpiece? The illustrious Norwegian artist Gustav Vigeland. His intense passion and skill are evident in every creation, each telling a story of life, love and human connection. From the iconic monolith to the playful angry boy, each piece is a testament to Vigeland's genius. Vigeland Sculpture Park truly is a testament to human creativity and artistry. Moving on, we tour the stunning Oslo Opera House. A marvel of contemporary architecture, it's designed to resemble a glacier floating in the Oslofjord. This iconic landmark houses a variety of world-class performances, from operas to ballets and concerts. A unique feature of the Opera House is its walkable roof, offering panoramic views of the city and fjord. Whether you're an architecture buff or a music lover, the Oslo Opera House is a must-visit for architecture and music enthusiasts alike. Now let's stroll around the historic Akershus Fortress. This majestic fortress, a sentinel of Oslo since the late 13th century, whispers tales of a bygone era. It's a testament to Norway's rich history, having served as a royal residence, a prison and a military base. But it's not all about the past. The fortress also offers breathtaking views of the city and the fjord, creating a captivating contrast between the old and the new. Akershus Fortress is a perfect blend of history and scenic beauty. Let's delve into art at the Munch Museum. Home to more than half of Edvard Munch's paintings and most of his print motifs, this museum is a treasure trove of expressionist art. Munch, Norway's most famous artist, has left an indelible mark on the art world with his evocative works, including The Scream. Every corner of this museum is a testament to his genius and passion. So, if you're seeking to immerse yourself in art, the Munch Museum is a paradise for art lovers. Next, we visit the fascinating Fram Museum. This museum takes us on an enthralling journey into the history of polar exploration. It is home to the Fram, an iconic ship that braved both Arctic and Antarctic waters. The museum's exhibits chronicle adventurous tales of courage and determination, showcasing artifacts from these expeditions. From personal diaries of explorers to scientific instruments, every item tells a story. The Fram Museum offers an exciting journey into the world of polar exploration. Now we stroll along the bustling Karl Johans Gate. This dynamic artery of Oslo pulses with life, a delightful blend of history and modernity. Historical buildings stand tall, their grandeur narrating stories of a bygone era. A smorgasbord of shops, cafes and restaurants line the street, offering everything from Norwegian delicacies to international cuisine. Key attractions such as the Royal Palace and National Theatre are just a stone's throw away. Karl Johans Gate is the perfect place to experience Oslo's vibrant city life. Moving on, we explore the Norwegian Museum of Cultural History. A living testament to Norway's rich past, the museum showcases a diverse range of exhibits. From intricately carved stave churches to traditional Sami dwellings, It's a veritable journey through time. Visitors can expect to be immersed in a tapestry of Norway's cultural heritage spanning over 1,000 years. Experiences at this museum are akin to stepping into a time machine. The Norwegian Museum of Cultural History offers a unique insight into Norway's past. Next, we check out the majestic Royal Palace. Standing proud in the heart of Oslo, this neoclassical masterpiece whispers tales of a regal past. It's not just a residence for the Norwegian monarchy, but a symbol of unity and national pride. The palace's architecture, a testament to the 19th century aesthetics, is equally inspiring. Its stately rooms and grand halls echo the opulence of the Norwegian royal lineage. The Royal Palace is more than just a building, it's a symbol of Norwegian history and royalty. Now let's take a leisurely walk in the Botanical Garden. An oasis of calm and beauty, the garden boasts an impressive diversity of plants from around the globe. It's a living museum with a history stretching back more than 2 centuries, playing a pivotal role in the study and preservation of plant species. This verdant haven offers a breath of fresh air, quite literally, amidst the urban hustle and bustle. The Botanical Garden is a serene escape in the heart of the city. Moving on, we visit the Holmenkollen Ski Museum and Tower. This architectural marvel is not just a ski jump, it's the cradle of skiing history. As we delve into its exhibits, we journey through over 4,000 years of skiing evolution. From ancient rock carvings to polar exploration gear, the museum is a treasure trove. And then there's the Tower, with panoramic views that will leave you breathless. It's a testament to Norway's love for the sport. The Holmenkollen Ski Museum and Tower offers a thrilling experience for adventure and history enthusiasts. Next, we explore the iconic Oslo City Hall. This awe-inspiring structure, with its construction dating back to the early 20th century, carries a rich tapestry of history within its walls. Its stunning murals, a visual feast of colors and intricate designs, tell tales of Norway's past, present, and imagined future. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, the City Hall is a beating heart of Oslo's civic life, hosting the annual Nobel Peace Prize ceremony. Indeed, Oslo City Hall is a symbol of the city's cultural and political life. Finally, let's discover the Astrup Fearnley Museum of Modern Art. A beacon of creativity, this museum is home to a remarkable collection of modern and contemporary art. Its innovative architecture, a visual treat in itself, harmoniously complements the art it houses. It's not just a museum, but a testament to Oslo's vibrant art scene. Holding significant sway in the art world, it constantly challenges and inspires with its ever-evolving exhibits. The Astrup Fearnley Museum is a must-visit for contemporary art enthusiasts. Let's take a moment to recap our wonderful journey through Oslo. We've sailed through history at the Viking Ship Museum, mingled with stone figures at Vigeland Park, and basked in the grandeur of the Oslo Opera House. We've marveled at the Akershus Fortress, relished the art at Munch Museum, and walked the royal corridors of the Royal Palace. From the botanical delights to the awe-inspiring ski museum, every corner of Oslo has a tale to tell. Thank you for joining this guide to Oslo, Norway. We hope you enjoyed the journey and look forward to your next visit.